Hi, my name's Eddie and we're here at Web Engineering 2019 in the lovely Palma, Mallorca, Spain. We've met so many amazing people. The Dashboard Hub team have really been speaking to everyone and has really got stuck in and helped out, and people have already asked if they're going to come next year, so it's been great. An unconference is where there's no planned talks. People turn up on the day and propose talks they would like to give. So it was really interesting. It was so good and so many great talks, and we videoed them. Subscribe to my channel below so when the videos do come out from the talks, you get notified of those videos. It wasn't just about coding, it was also about soft skills, a whole variety. Body language, how to present at a talk, how to present at a meeting, how you can change your coding to reduce the impact on climate change. So tech is for everyone, tech is for you. Hi, my name's Eddie and I'm here at Web Engineering 2019 in Palma, in this beautiful venue. And I have Philip with me. And Philip, where are you from? Can you tell us something about yourself?
I'm from Germany, from Karlsruhe.
Okay.
And I'm the CTO of Econa.
And what is Econa?
Econa is doing web-related stuff. So we are collecting data, it's analytics, it's personalization. Yeah, we're doing cool machine learning stuff with a lot of click data and other data.
Nice. Yeah. Machine learning, such a huge topic at the moment, right?
Right. Everybody is talking about it, we are doing it, you know?
Exactly right. The amount of places that say, hey, machine learning is great, you're doing it now. So it's great that you're doing it. And how long have you been doing it for? Is it quite a new thing or has it been a while?
We started with this feature quite some years ago. Okay. You have to prepare, evolve somehow. You can't start from one day to another.
Yeah.
And this feature is now like 1 year old to go live of the machine learning. And has been really successful. So it makes life easier for our customers. So beforehand they had to do a lot of configuration and to guess some settings and all things. And now machine learning is doing this automated and it's much better. Yeah. So
really?
Yeah. The machines are more clever than the humans are.
And I guess as time goes on, it gets even better. It learns more, and is it improving?
It is improving, but actually the most recent data is the most valuable.
I see,
you have seasonal differences. Okay. Right now you want to have a jacket, and next spring you want to have a bathrobe. I don't know. So right. It's especially in e-commerce, in the fashion sector, the data gets outdated quite quickly.
Right. I see. Okay,
it might be different in other domains, but.
Okay, that's really interesting. Do you discard the old data, or you just you keep it as part of your model?
We keep them, but we train mainly on new data.
Okay.
And that's more successful in terms of the model quality.
1 semester, that's like what, 3 months? Is that
1 semester? It was 6 months.
6 months. Okay.
But there was some travel time and free time as well.
Okay, good. So is this your first time to Web Engineering?
Yeah, it's my first time. And I was not so sure what to expect. So this has the PHP background, this conference, and I'm absolutely no PHP guy. So I'm a Java guy.
I love
data
Java.
science, Python, and now I'm not coding so much more anymore, so I'm more management. What was really cool was just to chat with other people, with other CTOs, and to talk about problems, about agile teams, and not so much the development part, but more the management.
Yeah.
And,
that's the great thing about this event. It does cover such a a wide area. We were having discussions today, also actually yesterday, about personal branding of developers and of CTOs, and of everyone needs to have their own personal brand. And actually, we did continue that conversation today as well. So you're a CTO. How big is the company?
We're about 50 people.
So it's a really good size. That's quite a lot of people.
It's a good size. Yeah. You have some manpower. It's not too big. It's quite familiar, but you can really do things. Yeah, you can go fast forward.
And how long has the company been around for?
I think the company was founded in 2004, but I joined the company in 2012.
And how many people did you bring with you? Did you come by yourself, or did you bring people with you?
I came by myself. So I was at the university. I did a PhD in Karlsruhe, and this was my first job in industry. So I really wanted to do things that people use, and not only for papers and for research. And I never regretted it.
Awesome. At the event, did you bring any of your colleagues, or did you come by yourself?
Oh, here. We are 6 people actually. So we are one of them sponsors, and so we decided to go all in.
Nice.
It's also intensive here to come here, so the people performing really good were given the chance to go here.
Nice.
It's good for both. Yeah, so you learn something, and it's nice to be on Mallorca.
Exactly. I like the attitude. That's really good. That's really important. What talk did you go to that stuck in your mind this weekend? If I said to you, name a talk right now, like what's the first one that pops into your head?
I think it was really about the agile teams. agile
Okay.
teams, and there was another one about ticket quality, which goes in the same direction.
Yeah.
I started to really think that there is an issue. I have to really change some things in my teams, and that we could get better there. So I didn't think so much about the topic beforehand, but now I see that it's more important than I thought.
That's awesome to hear. That's really good. I'm sure you thought it was important, but you didn't prioritize it as much as you
That's
realized. I think that's really important. It's great, and that's why I love this event. Speaking to lots of people, you get a different viewpoint, a different pain points, because we can be agile and make continuous little improvements in every direction. Even my wife, as a lawyer, is taking the same mentality of agile into her team at work, doing daily stand-ups every couple of weeks, saying, what can we do better?
Cool.
What didn't work in the last couple of weeks? What can we do better? I think it can be applied to everything, especially tech.
I should do it with my kids, probably.
You should. And let me know how it goes. So when I get my kid, I then know if it's a good idea or not.
Okay.
Did you propose any talks this weekend?
I did, but I wasn't successful.
Which one did you propose?
So I proposed to talk about personalization
Okay.
in shop systems. So
Okay.
there are some vendors of shop systems here, Shopware and others, and Oxid. I wanted to chat with them how they can integrate our services, because this is one part we are not doing ourselves. So we have the machine learning, the data stuff, but somebody has to do the front end, the design and the templates, dynamic content, and I think they're just not the right people here from these companies. And,
So what you need to do next time is contact the people that you need and say, I'm going to this event, it would be great if you were going too, and then you can meet
Yeah,
up with
that
them on
could
a
be-
more kind of
that's right.
relaxed, they can be more honest and open rather than, if you organise a call or a meeting, I find people are a bit careful about what they say because they don't want to promise or give hope or the opposite or to seem like they're defensive. So I just find when you come to these events, it's really good. People give you that more just honest feedback, and then you know if it's a possibility to worth investing more time and effort in or it's not. I would
like the
suggest that.
idea, just to use this as an exchange with people you contacted beforehand and to really solve some problems.
I mean, for me myself as a consultant, when when people say, "Hey, have you got a meeting? I want to see if there's any potential here, etc." and so on, I'm a bit, my calendar's really busy. But when they say, "I'm going to this event, are you going too, or would you like to attend enough to catch up?" I think, right, the event, as we say in English, I can kill like 2 or 3 birds with one stone, right?
Yeah.
I can attend the event, I can learn, I can meet other people. But I can also have these meetings. I'm more interested to go, and I liked it that they kind of made it a bit more creative, thought that's something a bit different rather than going for a beer or a coffee or a phone call or whatever.
It's so much more relaxed.
It is, and you just get that honest and more personal
Yeah.
basis.
The best talks are with the beer in your hand.
Yes. Yeah, a beer in your hand where you're at an event rather than you've got 30 minutes between meetings, let's have a quick chat or whatever. So, yeah, I highly recommend doing that, and I find that works really well. So you sponsored the event, that's amazing, so thank you very much. That's great. And why did you sponsor the event? I'm really interested to know kind of what was having not been before as well?
No, I think no one of us has been here before, but yeah, we know the people. We know Thomas.
I see,
and,
okay.
Christian, the CEO of my company,
I
is
see.
I would say friend of him, and so it's more the personal connection.
Nice.
We thought that okay, if we go there, then we should contribute as well.
Well, thank you very much, and our team thanks you as well. We had a great time at the event. I'm trying to convince Thomas to do it twice a year, do May and
Let's see
September. That'd be awesome. Do you have any actions that you're going to take away? Like when you go back, are you going to do something different? You mentioned the issues, maybe the agile stories.
And another action is more personal. I will stop coding, probably.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How come?
No, I should more concentrate on the CTO things.
You should code
Yeah, that's,
more. Open source
No, yeah.
code. Let me clarify that.
Yeah, that's another thing I took away from the talks to the other people, and concentrate on the things that are important for the company.
And hopefully you're going to maybe open source some projects in the future. I'll keep pestering you on that.
I'm not sure if we ever contributed to open source projects, but why not? Yeah. So
Soon.
we are using massive
Yes.
amount of open source for sure.
I'm sure you've got like some wrappers or some libraries that could be open source and not maybe your business logic. You're on my radar now. Thomas has put you on my radar, so cool.
Okay.
Awesome. Anything else you'd like to add? I won't put you under any more stress.
No, I'm fine.
Do you want to give
It
you...
was nice to meet you. I
Really
think
nice to meet
you
you.
did a good job here, jumping around with the camera and
They did a
doing
good job.
some-
I just did jumping around. They did the hard work.
smiling all the time,
Yeah, definitely
having
smiling.
a good mood, and that's really one thing you're doing good.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate your good feedback. I really do appreciate it. Thank you. And thank you again for sponsoring. Absolute pleasure. See you next year.